Hello friends, in this video we will see how to change very large or very small numbers in their scientific notations. Now let's start. First of all we will see what is the general form of scientific notation. Here we are finding a multiplied by 10 raised by n. A multiplied by 10 raised by n is the general form of any number which is changed in scientific notation where a is less than 10 and greater than equal to 1 while n is a positive or a negative integer. So first of all what we have to do before changing the number in its scientific notation. So first of all we have to change the number in its real form. So what is real form? Suppose a number is 23. So what is the real form of 23? 23.0 is the real form of 23 while 23 is its integral form. So changing a number in its scientific notation, it is necessary to write the number before changing in its real form. Now let's start. Now we are finding here how to change the large numbers in their scientific notations. So here we will see how to change large numbers in their scientific notations. Before going to change the large numbers in scientific notation, first of all we will see what is the main key or main concept behind that. So for the example we are seeing the concept. Suppose a number is 2.2347.1. If it is divided by 1000, so the result would be 2.3471. We are finding here the decimal is shifted towards left side. Decimal is shifted towards left side 3 places. Decimal is shifted towards left side 3 places. So what is the key why the decimal is shifted towards left side 3 places? We are finding a key here. The number was divided by 1000 and 1000 contains 3 zeros. 1000 contains 3 zeros. That's why the decimal is shifted towards left side 3 places. So that is the short key. Now we can see another example. If a number is 47.1 divided by 10, so the result would be 4.71. Here the decimal is shifted towards left side 1 place. So what is the key here? The number is divided by 10 and 10 contains only 1 zero. That's why the decimal is shifted towards left side 1 place. So this is the concept that we have to use to change the large numbers in scientific notation. So let's start. First example is 57642 with 3 zeros. So real format of the number should be decimal with 0. Now our task is to shift the decimal towards left side. How many places? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are interested to shift the decimal towards left side 7 places. For that we have to divide the number by 1 with 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is necessary to multiply the number by the same for the right adjustment. So 1 with 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the division process will give us the result 5.7642 and the remaining part can be written as 10 raised by 7. Now here we are finding 5.7642 is less than 10 and we are interested to see a should be less than 10 or greater than equal to 1. So here we are finding 5.7642 is less than 10 and it is greater than 1. So it is like a, and now rest part is like 10 raised by n. So this is the scientific notation of the first example. Let's see the second one. The number is 97834 with 4 zeros. So the real format is decimal with 0. We are finding here we have to shift the decimal towards left side. Let's count how many places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to shift the decimal towards left side 8 places. So we will divide the number by 1 with 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to multiply the number by the same. That means 1 with 8 zeros, that can be written as 10 raised by 8. So the division process will provide us the result 9.7834, and the remaining part can be written as it is, that is 10 raised by 8. So this is the scientific notation of the second example, because the first number is just like a and the second number is just like a raised by n, sorry, 10 raised by n. Now moving for the next, here we are finding how to change very small numbers in scientific notation. So first of all, we will see what is the concept to use, how to change very small numbers in scientific notation. Let's see the concept by the example. If a number is 3.4192, if we are multiplying the number by 100, so the result will be 341.92. Here we are finding the decimal is shifted towards right side 2 places. So what is the short key we are finding here? The number was multiplied by 100 and 100 contains 2 zeros. That's why the decimal is shifted towards right side 2 places. Taking another example by the same number, 3.4192, if it is multiplied by 1000, so the result would be 3.419 point, sorry, 3419.2. Here we are finding the decimal shifted towards right side 3 places. So what is the short key we are finding here? The number is multiplied by 1000 and 1000 contains 3 zeros. That's why the decimal is shifted towards right side 3 places. So this key is useful here for changing the numbers in scientific notations, but numbers should be small. Now let's start with the first example. We are seeing here the number is 0.00321. We are interested to shift the decimal towards right side 3 places. For that we have to multiply the number by 1 with 3 zeros. So it is necessary to divide the number by the same. So the multiplication in numerator will provide us the result 3.21, and denominator can be written as 10 raised by 3. So the scientific notation of the number is 3.21 multiplied by 10 raised by minus 3. Now let's see the second example. Here we are finding the number is 50492. 50492. So our task here is to shift the decimal towards right side. How many places? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are interested to shift the decimal towards right side 6 places. So we have to multiply the number by 1 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is necessary to divide the number by the same, that is 1 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in the numerator, the multiplication will provide us the result 4.92, and the denominator can be written as 10 raised by 6. So the final result is 4.92 in multiplied by 10 raised by minus 6. So this is the scientific notation of the second number. Now let's see. Now what is a short key? What is a short key for changing the numbers in scientific notation? Now we have solved the first example earlier. So what is the result we can see here? The result is 5.7642 into 10 raised by 7. So we will put the result here, that is 5.7642 multiplied by 10 raised by 7. This was the result we have seen. Now in the second example, we have solved the example earlier. Now let's see what is the result. The result is 4.92 multiplied by 10 raised by minus 6. Now the result of this number was 4.92 multiplied by 10 raised by minus 6. Now let's see what is the short key. Here we are finding, in the first example, decimal was shifted towards left side 7 places. Decimal was shifted towards left side 7 places. That's why the index of the 10 is positive 7. That means short key is that if the decimal is shifting towards left side, then index of the 10 must be positive. If the decimal is shifting towards left side 7 places, so index must be plus 7. Now short key for the next question. Here we are finding the decimal was shifted towards right side 6 places. So the index of the 10 is minus 6. Short key is that if the decimal is shifting towards right side 6 places, so the index of the 10 must be minus 6. Decimal shifting towards right side n places, so index of the 10 must be minus n. If the decimal is shifting towards left side n places, so index of the 10 must be plus n. That is the shortcut of changing a very big or very small numbers in their scientific notation. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks all.